Hello, welcome back. In this lecture, we will look at what is IT Management System Context Diagram. IT Management System Context Diagram is also a system context diagram. The concept of business system context diagram can very well be extended to define the IT management system context diagrams. IT management system context diagrams will be used to represent the entire IT system in terms of the IT management processes. Please have a look at this figure. This shows an example of IT management system context diagram where IT management processes are clubbed into 8 different groups. Here, the users of the system also shown here, customers, IT systems management role, customer relationships roles. These are all the users of the system, and the 8 different groups of IT management processes are also shown here. So similar to business system context diagram, IT management system context diagram can be used as a starting point based on which an elaboration can be done to achieve the overall IT management system. For example, IT management system context diagram can be used to identify these issues or these things inside the system. How systems are designed, developed, deployed, and operated, how administration of an IT system is being done, then how the customer relationships are set up and sustained, how the availability is maintained. So there is a natural possibility of combining business and IT management views in the same system context diagram. The managed business system model integrates business as well as management aspects of the system. The managed business system context diagram can be used to represent any business models. Business aspect is described as the functional view of the solution, whereas the management aspect can be described as the non-functional view of the solution. So the combined process model shown in this figure is a composite view of the two different models we have discussed. It can be observable that the managed business system can be divided into business application domain and management domain. In the business and IT management combined process model, there are three types of roles, namely customers, IT management personals, then the other one is for customer relationship personnel. So all these users are shown here, and the business application domain management domains are shown here in this diagram. So coming to what is managed business system context diagram, managed business systems can be very complex with respect to these aspects. All of the management activities and tasks that are required to support the operation has to be mentioned in a single diagram is very critical to represent as well as to understand. Maintenance and management of the necessary business processes is also to be shown in the diagram. Operation, maintenance, and management of the IT infrastructure that supports the business processes as also be shown here. So these are all some of the uh, complex aspects why we are going to move on to business managed business system context diagram. But how we are going to represent these things in an elegant and intuitive manner is an art. So we will stop it here. We will continue in the next lecture. Thank you.